Entertainment.
We good.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tony S, and welcome to another Sunday video. Like, you all are welcome. Happy Valentine's Day in arrears. I don't know if that's the right word to use, but whatever. This video I actually just want to talk about, like, I don't want to be selfish, so I want to give you guys like the hints on, you guys can see from the title anyways. Yeah, so basically it's like the hints from how to get free stuff from brands. Yes, like whether you're an influencer, whether you have no followers, whether you have no subscribers and all of that, like how to get free stuff from brands. Yes, like how to pitch your notice and all of that, and basically just how to get stuff from brands. That's what this video is going to be all about. And so guys, if you are not subscribed to my channel, you already know the drill. You know what to do. Like, the subscribe button is just right here, so just click the subscribe button down below, somewhere here, somewhere on the screen. Yeah guys, so just click the subscribe button. Let's grow this baby together. Yeah, you guys are doing good. I'm really grateful. So without further ado and not too much talks, can we get straight into the video? This video was actually inspired by some of you asking me, so how did you get free hair? Yeah, because you guys know I'm still a baby YouTuber, like I'm a baby tuber. So like what I actually did was, I just thought about it, like YouTubers can't be buying everything with their money, because you guys see, like, we have to buy lots of products, lots of stuff and all of that. So like really we can't be buying everything with our money. We have to try and see and outsource and see if we could get some things for free. So yeah, that was what I did. So the first thing I actually did was I started sending messages to companies that I know that, okay, these people are actually in this kind of business. They actually give free things to YouTubers, to influencers, to people on Instagram and all of that. So yeah, that was the first thing I did. And I started sending out mails. I sent out mails to, say, like 8 to 9 companies before I got tired. They were all air companies. So yes, I sent a mail to like 8-9 of them. Some of them, like, I will be sincere with you guys, some of them really watched me and they're like, oh, you have to have 20k subscribers. You guys see the reason why we have to grow this baby. So let's grow this baby as fast as possible. Thank you. Share this video with your friends, with your family, your enemies, your haters, everybody. Tell them to come. This family is big enough to entertain everybody. So yeah, that's what's up. So like some of them are like, oh, you have to grow your subscribers to 20,000 before we could give you anything, to influence and all of that. But like 3-4 companies came through for me and they were like, oh yeah, that's cool, thank you for reaching out to us, and we're going to try and send you some things. Yeah, which they did. 2 companies actually couldn't send me stuff because for some reasons their company is on Amazon.co and I am in Amazon.ca. So I think it was they were unable to send out the product from Amazon.co to Amazon.ca. I don't even know if you understand what I'm saying. So yeah, that's just basically it. So what I'm trying to say in the long run is that if you actually want something from these brands, you could actually reach out to them. Some of them will say no, they can't work with you. But see, don't let the name of the brand, scare you and think that they won't answer you because you think they are big brands and all of that. So the brands that actually answered me, that attended to me, are the big brands that I thought these ones were just going to look down on me, and seriously they did not. So yeah, that's a plus. Another thing I like to talk about, the second one, is, guys, there's this app called Influenster. I heard about Influenster before I even started my YouTube channel, and I've been using Influencer for a very long time. I'm going to try and give a link to Influencer down below. So what Influencer is all about is that you just create your beauty profile. After creating your beauty profile, you do reviews, you answer questions on products and all of that. It depends on how frequent, like how regular you are on Influencer. They're going to try and link you up with the brand and they're going to send you free stuff. Yeah, that's how simple Influencer works. But the thing is, you have to invest your time in it and try and give a lot of reviews and everything. But once you've reached that mark and they're satisfied with you, trust me, they start sending you stuff for free. Like maybe on a monthly basis, twice a month. I think I got stuff from them like 2-3 times, and I stopped because I just got lazy. But I'm going to actually start working on Influencer again. So, and Influencer is going to give you beauty products, like top beauty products, makeup, brushes, like all those kind of things are things influencers going to give you. So why don't give it a try? Like really, there's no harm in trying anyways. ZYPER is something like influencer actually. You have to create your beauty profile too. Once you're done creating your beauty profile, they're going to ask you questions on the kind of things you like. They're going to ask you questions on the kind of things you like, and they will ask you, what's your Instagram handle, blah 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 blah, and all those kind of questions, blah 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 blah. And basically they're going to tell you, they're going to send you a mail in 72 hours if you're qualified, and that was what I did. But the thing with ZYPER is that you cannot just go onto ZYPER to request for stuff or to create a beauty profile. What you have to do with ZYPER is that somebody who is on ZYPER already has to invite you. So yeah, I'm going to put a link down below of ZYPER. It is my link, so you guys could go into it if you want. Like, that's how it works. It's as simple as that. You don't have to do reviews on ZYPER. You don't have to like make comments. You don't have to do anything. Just create your beauty profile, and they're going to link you with brands. Like, they're going to ask you actually, what kind of brands do you like? What kind of products do you like? If it's makeup, if it's interior decorations, if it's whatever. And you don't have to be an influencer. You don't have to be. You can be a random person to use ZYPER, same as influencer anyways. So yeah, that's number 3. Yeah, right. Yes. So the last thing I want to talk about, but this one is for people in the United States. It doesn't work in Canada, but yeah, I'm going to share it anyways because it's good, it works, and all of that. So glamour beauty is like the easiest, but sadly it doesn't work in Canada. And I was not supposed to share this, but why not anyway? So yeah, that's why I decided to share this. Glamour Beauty Club works like influencer and ZYPER, but this one, yeah, like I said earlier, you just have to create a beauty profile. When you're done creating your beauty profile, they'll ask you what kind of brands you want, and immediately they send you the brands that they want you to work with. But the thing with Glamour Beauty is that you have to give a review after getting the product. Like when you get the product, you tell them, okay, I like it, I don't like it. You can be honest, like you don't like the product, it doesn't work on your skin tone, you didn't like how it looked, and all of that. So yeah, that's basically everything about Glamour Beauty. For ZYPER and Glamour Beauty and Influenster, I'm going to try and put the link down below so you guys could link up and get free stuff. So doesn't like free stuff, so doesn't like a wolf. I like it, so, and I'm very sure most of you are going to like it too. So yes, that's basically it for this my very short Sunday video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you liked it. And I'm going to see you guys next week. If you like this video anyways, give it a thumbs up. If you're going to be trying any of these companies I talked about, let me know in the comment section below. Let's talk. And like I said earlier, invite your friends, invite your family members, invite everybody to watch this video. It's helpful for everybody. You don't have to be an influencer. You don't have to be like, you don't have to have lots of followings. You don't have to have a YouTube channel. Like, it's for everybody. So basically that's what it is. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next week Sunday. Bye.
Stranger is the
We good.